Welcome back to New Parents. Happy Saturday, guys. And we would like to say thank you to Dana and Latifa Mohammed. They recognize us YouTuber in Dragon Mall as New Parents. Thank you so much, guys, for always watching us. And we are really surprised that you noticed us there in the mall. Really, it's really quite a great feeling. Great feeling. It's really heartwarming. And they are from Amwaj Island in Bahrain, huh? From Rifa, but then they are living now in Amwaj Island. So shout out, guys.
Big shout out to Dana and to Madam Latifa. We just met them recently in Dragon City, and we appreciate the gesture that they have given us. You know, it's really overwhelming, and we appreciate the gesture that they have given to us. You know, saying hi and recognizing us, and you know, it's really very heartwarming, and it's a very happy feeling that, you know, that as a very small time YouTuber, that somebody recognized us, you know, once in a blue moon.
Or this is the second time actually a Bahraini family approached.
Yeah, it was the second time. The first time was in the same in our building, actually, in our location, when we were in the in the playground, that one of the tenant here also recognizes us, and they were watching also our video. So basically, this is the second time that somebody approached us. You know, it's very surprising, but it was fun. So yeah, so keep watching our videos. Thanks.
Perhaps if we have the time, actually, we'll put the picture of Dana.
Yeah, we're gonna put
Dana and Madam Latifa Mohammed.
We took a small selfie with them. So yeah, guys, thank you very much. So keep watching our videos, and you know, thank you for everything, and we're gonna keep making videos as much as we can to for you to keep watching. All right, guys, thanks.
Thank you.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, the Noob Parents, and today it's time for another unboxing with Aiden. Right? All right, guys, so this is Minecraft Lego. Alright, so again, we had a chance to go to Dragon City.
Yeah, Minecraft.
And he selected the
Minecraft.
What? Minecraft Lego.
Minecraft Lego. I say Minecraft Lego.
Right, so what do we have here, Aiden?
I say Minecraft Lego.
Okay. And what is it? What's inside?
Just have some love and water.
This is water? Oh yeah, you're right. It's like a waterfall, right?
Yeah, TNT.
And the TNT. What's a TNT?
It blows
It blows the house?
like this.
And what's that? I saw a dragon.
Yeah,
Let's see.
that's
Where's the dragon?
then
Is there a dragon inside? Let's hope there's a dragon inside.
that's the Ender Dragon.
Injured one?
The Ender Dragon.
Okay, so guys, so just to let you know, we are not sponsored by the toy maker. We had bought it from our own money, and also we have a small one here. He wanted to add some additional.
It comes with a horse. A horse.
A horse?
Yeah.
What's that?
A zombie horse.
A zombie horse? I don't know what is a horse. Anyway, so we bought this additional.
Is it a house?
We bought these additional characters that doesn't have anything to do with this, but maybe we can use it. Yes.
No, because
Show it to your fans. What are those?
skeleton.
This is skeleton. Can you find a skeleton?
This one.
Here. Alright guys, so let's open it. Aiden?
Which one does open?
Let's see. Again guys, be careful with the scissors.
Yes,
Pull it.
wow!
Pull it,
There's
pull it.
lots of.
Let me do it. Oh.
Wow!
Oh no.
Wow! There's some Legos. Bag number 2. Bag number 2.
Is it really 2? Show Mama. Wow, it's really number 2. Again, show it. Bag
Alright,
number
but where's
2.
bag number 1?
Wow! There's some.
How did you know that there were...
tools.
Alright, let me ask you, how did you know that there were 5 bags inside? He told me there are 5 bags inside. So I said, alright, okay.
Mommy. Wow!
When did he told you that?
Just before the show.
We need to build this one.
And he's exactly right. I mean 1, 2, 3,
Wow!
4, and 5.
These have some.
That's a coincidence.
This one has have some tools, pieces.
I usually am the one who's doing the building.
He started to open it.
What did you do, Aiden?
He's really unboxing it by himself.
Let him do it.
These have some tools.
Right. Okay. So we have the manual and
Show
we
Mama.
have
The tools.
This have a. This the sword. Steve sword.
right.
Let's open this up. How to open this? How to open
Do you want
this?
to remove everything
Yeah.
already?
Yeah.
Because you might lose it.
Hmm.
Is this open?
No.
Does.
Wow.
Look, there's a light coming. Good. Alright, so there is some blocks that have lights on it. I reckon this will be the
You can use.
the foundation of the building that you're gonna build. So that's the one.
Oh, it's so bright.
It's so bright?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. So in your eyes.
Oh no, yeah. Oh.
Yeah, it's so
It
bright.
hurt. It hurts.
Yeah. Let's open
Okay.
this.
What else? What else do we got?
Open
I think
this
you
one.
need to open the number 1 box first,
Okay.
right?
Let's open this one, the number 1.
The number 1. So
Show
guys,
the number 1. Show the number 1.
um,
Oh, there.
Wow.
Let's open this up.
do you want to build this?
Yeah.
You're gonna help me build it?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we're gonna try to build this, but I don't think we can cover it in the whole video. Maybe we're gonna take some footage of the first part of it, and then maybe at the last oh no. Wait.
Wait,
That is
look.
not how you do it, Aiden.
Wait,
Pick up
look.
the small pieces. Pick everything up.
Here, in front.
That's why you have to wait for me. Pick it up, pick it up. You have to pick everything up. Aiden.
You can ask this.
I'm just starting to build it and he was already playing with it. So I think we're just gonna build it and let him play for a while. And I hope you enjoyed our very short unboxing today.
I want to build that one.
Toddlers.
Yes, but we will not be able to film everything. It's gonna be until
Let's
tomorrow
open
then.
this one.
Yes, okay. Yeah, maybe it's a good idea. We're just gonna open the small guys here.
Yeah, let's open this one.
Right.
This
Okay.
more
So we have this
the Lego.
Lego thingy,
I
guys.
gotta show my Lego.
It's gonna.
I gotta show my Lego.
All right. Okay. Get your Legos.
My Lego.
But there's nothing there
I have
now.
no. Let him do it. Let's see what he's gonna bring. So
Lego
that's
police.
what's left of his Lego.
My Lego
From
police.
from Ninong Francis and Ninang Sheila.
My
That one.
Lego police.
Lego police. All right. So I'm gonna.
Let's move.
So just show the different characters that you
The
get.
hat.
All right. Look at this. What's this?
Ball.
Ball is how do you call it in
Panot.
Tagalog? No, it's not panot. It's kalbo. It's kalbo. Say kalbo.
This mom.
So
No. Say panot. Say panot.
this one is.
Panot.
This one is.
Panot.
It's not panot. It's kalbo.
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 No, I like actually his accent for panot. Say
In Taga-
panot. Say panot.
And
Panot.
panat.
Please help me see.
Ano?
You're panot. Are you panot? No. You want to shout out the kalbo or the panot?
Shout out to Uncle.
Shout out to Uncle who.
Panot.
Who? I'll tell you. Who?
Who's Uncle?
Who's Uncle? Uncle who?
Huh? Shout
Uncle?
out to Uncle.
He doesn't want to say it. He's shy. He's afraid.
No more Christmas gifts from them. No, just shout out to Marman and at Ate Sarah.
Be careful. All right, guys. So I think this will be the end of our videos for today. Thanks for watching, guys, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our videos. And see you on our next videos. Bye bye.